Tonkeeper has launched USDT on their ecosystem. Hi guys, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to convert your Tonkeeper, your Tom, to USDT. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is to tap on swap. So okay, so now the next thing you have to do after tapping on swap is to select the currency, which is USDT, that you want to convert your Tom to, which is USDT. You can now enter the amount. If you want to convert all your Tom to USDT, you can just tap on the max to do that, and make sure your Tonkeeper is funded with Tom before this transaction will be successful. So I'm just going to use instance and write the amounts that I want to. If I say I want to convert 10 Tom, 110 Tom to USDT, so this is the amount in USDT. Then the next thing I have to do is to tap on confirm, and after tapping on confirm, the transaction will take place immediately. It does not take too much time for it to take place. It will take place immediately after confirming a transaction. And when I go back, okay, when I go back to my Tonkeeper, I will see that my USDT has been credited with USDT. It's no longer going to be 0. It's going to have USDT there because I've converted my Tom to USDT. So guys, I hope this video and this process can take place severally in a day. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.